Say goodbye. Hi cat. You make ungrounded video quiz aliens time?
Yes. Make of trapped mosaic latex.
What? Oh. At Vyond Movies channel coming in 2023. Ah, fries. They are burger's best friend. At Vyond Foods, you can buy not only a French fries, a tasty mouth-watering cheeseburger, or a double hamburger for only $59.99. Only at Vyond Foods, the #1 best food place in the Russia Republic. We now pleased to give you 34 Fox Kids, the president of Goanimate cooking channel for a special important.
Well, long time no see. Today, Goanimate cooking channel is shutting down forever. Not only that, but all like Haley channels such as like Haley Network is shutting down permanently. And if you guys don't know why we're shutting down permanent, it's because that we've received a cease and desist letter from TN, and about the content we've been providing. Since 2022, we've been just not like the other people view to usually see but also the best network in history. But now, all good things must have come to an end. Tomorrow expect the new network to be broadcasted on the current cable provider you're watching right now except for like Haley Cable. It's called Vyond Cooking Channel, and it'll show some shows about cooking and easy peasy hard cooking for all ages. But now, Goanimate Cooking Channel is saying goodbye, and so, from all of us here at Goanimate Cooking Channel staff and management, we wish you a most pleasant goodbye. Farewell. Thanks for joining us over the past 7 months. Goodbye and farewell.
Goodbye Goanimate Media forever.